Alright guys, this is my front tongue box. This is probably my pride and joy. Had I designed it a little bit better. Where I went wrong is I just built it way too big and it kind of looks silly on the camper, but this thing is a delight to have. Everything on it is stainless or architectural aluminum so it doesn't corrode. We'll go ahead and open this up. It's got some quick twist latches on the top. And just lift it up. Requires two hands, that's for sure. Downfall in the design, but you know, normally you have two hands. Alright. So here it is. This is my very tiny little sink cooking setup. I keep it very clean to keep the animals and the bears away when we're camping. Folding faucet with a soap pump and a sprayer. Sprayer is far more handy than anything else on here, so you know, this is like a fairly simple design. The roof of everything and the panels are all FRP. This is just a double-sided sticky wall you use for kitchens, and I got a paper towel holder there, and it's got a little weather strip seal here that seals against the aluminum. And this wood barrier helps keep water out as well. It also helps line up the top when it closes and keeps it from moving around too much. So underneath you'll find another latch and more storage. Keep a lot of the cooking stuff here. Here you also find the water pump. And this is also where I house the switch for the sink, so just in case the sink turns on and the sprayer gets hit, we're not just pumping water through here and making a mess. Yeah, it's just built with 2x2 construction. Probably overkill. Probably could have went with something smaller. Kind of wish I did. It helped lighten it up for sure, but I'm planning on cutting it and making it a little bit shorter just to make it a little more visually appealing, but it fits everything well. And yeah, and then there's also this extra nifty feature on the side here. It's held on with an aluminum plate and some locks, and let me undo those and I can show you that. Alright, so I've taken off the locks. Alright, so I've taken off the locks. Just pop these latches up. Surprisingly, this doesn't leak at all, but you pull this up and out comes a little sliding drawer, which, because it's cold, it's pretty frozen tight in there. So lots of work area, which is nice. Another downside is that thing stays up but slams very easily. Something else I would like to address when you're in there. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with how this all came out in the end. It's just very important. A lot of this stuff you have to use stainless hardware. If you don't, it's gonna corrode, it's gonna look ugly. It's not cheap, but it's gonna last. And that's what's important. So I think for the future, we're gonna look for a new trailer door that's not as tall, so that way we can cut it shorter and then shrink it down a little more. So that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them here or on our blog, and we'd be happy to answer them.